Hi guys, welcome back to our kitchen, and today we have a brand new product for all of you. So we have a very new and exciting and colorful product to present to you today. So we're going to be doing an unboxing and reviewing of this particular product that we have here, which is a Circulon tea kettle or a whistling kettle or a water kettle, whatever you want to call it. Basically, it's a kettle that can work on any kind of stove, be it gas, induction or hot plates. And this is from the brand Circulon, which, as we all know, is one of the most premier brands when it comes to cookware all around the globe and not just in our country. We're going to be doing the unboxing first, and then I'm going to be telling you some of our features and some of the nice things that are there and different things that are there about this particular kettle. So let's get into the unboxing. Now, if you want to look at the packaging, this is what it comes like. And as you can see, there are 4 colors that you can get. You can get this blue, there's a black, there's a gray, and then there's a darker blue, if that is what you want. So we have something for every kitchen design, every kind of aesthetic that you have for your kitchen. If you have more of a neutral brownish kind of look to your kitchen, you can go for the grayish one that has a more earthy tone to it. And if you want some nice pop of color in your kitchen and it's all white and it's got a very light kind of a color and light kind of a feel to it, you can add some pop of color with this blue one, which looks great, as you can see, in this white kind of bright kind of setup. And if you have a really dark and earthy tones, and if you want to keep the whole aesthetic to a dark kind of a look and feel, you can go for the darker ones, be it the blue or be it the black. So let's move on to the unboxing part of it. Again, it says that it's compatible with all the kind of cooktops. It's got a lifetime guarantee or warranty. It's got a lifetime warranty. And now we'll open this up, and then I'll show you what the product looks like on the inside. Here it is. This is what the packaging looks like. There's some important information on the packaging itself, all the features of the product, all the use and care, all the things that you need to know are all printed on the packaging itself. So the first thing that you see when you open the product is some important information about the use and care, what you should boil in it, what kind of things that you can make in it, how you should clean it and how you should use it. And it has a diagram representation of all the features which can tell you more about the product. Now, this is what it comes like with the packaging. So moving on, we'll open this packaging, nicely tightly secured, and then we'll remove this, and then we'll open the bag. And there it is, guys. That is how you will receive this product. Now, if you look at the handle is heat resistant and it's very comfortable for pouring any kind of tea or coffee or water that you are heating up in this particular kettle. There is a spout that you need to lift. So it's got a stopper in here, so that if you pop it off like this, it'll stay in position. अगर आप इसको ऐसे ओपन करते हैं, so एक आपको क्लिक सुनाई देगी, एक क्लिक की साउंड सुनाई देगी, which means that it's locked. So now it will stay like this. Now even if you pour and even if you move it, इसका जो lid है वो ऐसे ही lifted position में रहेगा. And to close it, again, it's very easy. You can just pop it back in. And अब ऐसे भी आप देख सकते हैं that it will not move on its own. So for pouring, this is it. अगर हम इसको खोलने की बात करें तो simply you can pull off the top lid, and then you can add whatever water or tea that you want to brew in this. Completely fine. And it's got the quantities written on the inside. So this kettle has a 2-liter quantity, which is more than enough according to the things that you're going to be making in it. So 2 liter is a big quantity. It's got a large quantity because you'll mostly be using it for teas, etc. So for that it's perfect. Again, इसके अगर आप lid देखेंगे तो इसके अंदर again there's a stopper. So if you place the lid back on, it snaps into place. Now the lid won't fall off on its own. No matter what you do to it, it's not gonna fall off on its own unless you pull and open it. So थोड़ा सा ये एक सेफ्टी फीचर है कि अगर आपका कुछ जो अंदर है वो ज़्यादा तेज़ गर्म भी हो जाए तो अपने आप वो बाहर नहीं आएगा. सो अगेन दिस इज़ अ फीचर एंड इसीलिए आपको थोड़ा सा इसमें पुल करना पड़ेगा. इट्स नॉट मच, ईजिली हर कोई कर सकता है. एंड इसको हम स्नैप बैक कर देते हैं. अब ये जो केटल है आपके सामने, द यूएसपी ऑफ दिस केटल इज दैट इट इज़ अ विस्लिंग केटल. आपने इसके अंदर लिक्विड डाला, उसको आपने गैस पे रखा, जैसे जैसे इसके अंदर पानी या फिर कोई भी चीज़ जो है वो हीट होगी, एक विस्लिंग साउंड आएगी जो कि इसके स्पाउट से आएगी. यहाँ से स्टीम निकलेगी और एक लाउड विसल आपको सुनाई देगी, विच इज़ एन इंडिकेटर कि आपने जो भी इसके अंदर डाला है वो बॉयल हो गया है. सो जैसे ही इसके अंदर आपने जो लिक्विड डाला है वो बॉयल होगा, यहाँ से स्टीम निकलेगी एंड एक हाई पिच्ड विसल आपको सुनाई देगी, सो दैट यू नो दैट इट इज़ टाइम टू स्विच ऑफ द गैस. सो आप इसके अंदर कुछ भी बना सकते हैं. आप इसके अंदर चाय, कॉफ़ी, दूध, पानी एट्सेट्रा व्हाटएवर यू वांट टू बॉयल, यू कैन ईजिली डू दैट. अगर हम इसके मटेरियल की बात करें, सो इट इज़ अ स्टेनलेस स्टील केटल जिसके ऊपर एक इनामल की कोटिंग दी गई है अंदर और बाहर. अंदर से अगर आप देखें तो इसके अंदर एक ब्लैक कलर की इनामल कोटिंग है एंड ऑन द आउटसाइड जो डिफरेंट कलर्स है उसकी कोटिंग है. सो द kettle in itself is made from stainless steel and it's got an enamel coated on the outside and the inside. इसका अगर आप रिम बात करेंगे, जो पोरिंग है जहाँ पे आपका खाना कांटेक्ट में आ रहा है या फिर जहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा पोरिंग होएगी यहाँ पे, वहाँ पे कलर नहीं दिया गया है, सो दैट जो इसकी लुक है वो ऐसी कैसी मेंटेन रहे. जब आप इसमें से पोर करेंगे कुछ भी, जो आपका स्पाउट एरिया है, इट्स गॉट अ स्टेनलेस स्टील एक्सपोज्ड काइंड ऑफ अ सर्फेस. तो यहाँ पे एक एस्थेटिकली कि आपका वो बुरा ना लगे, खराब ना हो या फेड ना हो, इसीलिए इसको ये दिया गया है. And this is a product that we've just launched in the Indian market. It's a brand new product. So that was it from the unboxing of this particular product. Now, many of you asked me that please mention the price also when we talk about the unboxings, etc. So when we talk about the price, all these kettles are listed at a price of 2750. You can pick any color for that, and all the colors are available on a e-store, so you can visit the e-store. The link is in the description. And that's it from this episode. We'll be back with more such videos, more such unboxings and some trivia and some recipes. So in the meantime, do subscribe to our channel and I'm gonna see you soon.